opposite field shot. There's a line drive to center by Gomez, and on comes Lagares, and he makes the catch on the second effort. What a play! I'm not sure I've ever seen the likes of this before. Trying to make the shoestring catch and then stumbling forward to grab it.
2-2 pitch again. Liner deep to center field. Back goes McCray. Wow! What a grab by McCray. This one deserves a wow. And how?
Oh my goodness.
Runner goes. Pop foul back at the plate. Here comes Alomar. Leaping